101.1 The Spirit of Indonesia Smart FM. Hi guys.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special program with BPEC Damily Smart Up Your Life, talk about English education. And of course, week by week we have a special topic. And our topic tonight is a very interesting. Talking about role model in another perspective. It's a very interesting. Of course, we are very enthusiastic about this. And our topic tonight with BPEC is inspiring one. So, but anyway, before we start our conversation, we still have a one speaker. Just come on. Coming. No matter. Just come, relax. Okay, enjoy. Because Smart FM is our second home.
Yay, I have friends.
Right? Okay. Hi, BPC.
Hi.
BPC.
Hi.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Wow, giving applause first. As I just mentioned just now that our topic tonight is inspiring one. So in another words, like a synonym means that like a role model, right? But before we are going to continue our discussion, maybe one of you can introduce first what is BPC itself. Maybe whatever.
Our vice president.
Okay, our vice president. Time is
Okay.
yours.
So BPC stand for Benteng Panyo English Club, established in 1986. And every single Sunday we conduct a meeting. It's called Lovely Sunday Meeting.
Yeah.
And we provide 6 items there. The first one is Who Am I? In Who Am I section, every newcomer have to introduce themselves one by one. And then the second one is ice breaking. In ice breaking, the committee will provide some kind of game to break the awkward situation among us. And then after that, we have discussion and debating. We will discuss about interesting topic, and then we will debate emotion related to the topic that we have discussed. And then after that, we have building skill. In building skill, the committee will provide some kind of material about English, like vocabularies, idioms, grammar, or something like that. So it can help us to improve our English skill. And then after that, we have entertainment. If you guys have something to entertain to the other participant, you can stand up and show the participant.
And
then
like stand-up comedy, right?
yeah, like
Singing a
stand-up
song.
comedy, singing, dancing, or something like. And then the last one is announcement. So for you guys, if you guys have something to announce, something to inform, like a seminar or English course or TOEFL prediction, you can
Scholarship,
stand up. Scholarship. You can stand up and inform to other participants about that. And the good news is it's free of charge, and it can be accessed for every single age.
Okay, for more details information for smart viewers and listeners at home, maybe you can mention what is Instagram or Facebook or Telegram about BPEC.
If you wonder about our activity, you can follow our Instagram. It's called at BPEC Makassar, BPEC Makassar.
Same Facebook and Instagram.
Same Facebook and Instagram.
Okay. Okay. Maybe you can introduce yourself, guys. Start from you.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Amal.
Hi, Amal.
Yep.
How's it going?
And I'm good. good.
Okay.
It's nice to meet all of you guys here.
Yeah. Okay, Amal. Next.
Okay, hello smart listener. I am Muhammad Yusril Abidin, and you guys can call me Yusril, and nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet you. And hi, I'm Ridha Zaril. I'm ex-committee of BPEC. 2000, I was graduate. No, not graduate. I'm still. It was 2012. Yes. And what about you?
Hi, smart listener. I'm Adelia Nabila. It's nice to see you today.
Adele.
Yes, you can call me Adele.
Okay, someone like you.
Okay.
Oh, thanks.
Hello everyone, I am Samantha, and I'm also one of the committee at Benteng Panyo English Club.
Hi, Sam.
Hi.
Samantha. Okay, right. Inspiring one. As I mentioned that it is very, interest topic because in other words are synonym like not like but role model, right? So how do you think about this on your mind? What is inspiring one? Come on.
When it comes to about role model,
Mhm.
I think role model is the one that we are inspired on from this person.
Mhm.
So I think someone will someone that do something
Yeah.
that inspire us really inspires us a lot,
Mhm.
whether it's about the work they do and
Okay.
also the dedication that
Mhm.
they have. So I think it's a role model for me.
Mhm. So, inspirer means that the one who give something special that can attract someone to
Yup.
be like him or her,
Yeah.
something like that, right? Okay, I get the point. What about you, Mr. Amal?
Okay, inspiring
Inspiring one.
one. I think this is a relative
Mhm.
terms. I mean,
Mhm.
it could have many different meanings to
Mhm.
many different people.
Yeah.
And to me, I personally think that inspiring one is someone who changed our life.
Mhm. Mhm.
Like in any point
Mhm.
of our life, this person give us something that we probably call it hope
Mhm.
that can change our life, switch our life, our mindset as well, and that's inspiring one meaning to me.
Mhm.
That's what I thinking about inspiring one.
So the point is, can we change our
Yeah.
life, something like that, right? Okay. What about you, Miss Adele?
Okay, talk about inspiring one.
Mhm.
Inspiring one for me, like who can, yes, motivate you, who can
okay.
change you, who can change you a little bit because what people can have a special things from that someone from
Okay.
that one.
I
think,
can
yes.
underline who can motivate you.
Yes.
Okay. What about you, Yusril? On your
Yeah,
mind,
like-
what is inspiring one?
It's like same with other like inspiring one is the person that we get inspired by their achievement, their prestation or something. So
Mhm.
we that can motivate us to do better, to
Mhm.
achieve our goals. And
Mhm.
most of the inspiration, I mean, the one who inspired others, it based on our goals. Like if we
Mhm.
want to be like football player, then the inspiration could be a football player as well.
Okay. Underline get inspired from someone,
Yeah,
right?
inspired from someone.
Okay. I'm going to Adele. Anyway, talk about inspiring one. Why the people's be inspiring? Why? Why they be inspiring?
Yes, because they have something special that I can never got in my inside. So I mean, yeah, from this one I have something special. Then this has really changed my life. So I have to follow it. I have to what special things they have. I have to yes.
Do you have role models even they do not inspire you, but maybe representative peoples who they come from peoples who inspiring them? Do you have a role models?
Like what?
I mean, like a sample inspiring one, like role models, like a public figure, athlete, or the like artist, something
Oh,
like that.
okay,
Do you
okay.
have a role models? Public figure.
For public figure.
Yeah, just speaker.
Okay, so quickly say about this, but okay, I have one role models is
Only
really
one?
inspiring me stuff from now.
Okay.
You know J.K. Rowling?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
J.K. Rowling is my inspiring one for me because I love a book from Harry Potter. So I love this. and-
Writer.
Yes, writer.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
after I see that biodata, how to say that? Biography.
Autobiography.
Yes.
Yes.
Wow, it's so inspiring me because I love I love film Harry Potter, and I know the writer like this so inspiring me. So I think wow, I want to be a writer too. Then I read more good about this biography. I think just one inspiring me for me. Yes.
But
because-
before you talking about actually explain about J.K. Rowling, I imagine J.K. Anna. but not
What?
but not him. But
It's
her. Yeah, J.K. Rowling.
different.
Yeah, but I understand.
Okay.
Just make jokes.
Okay, that's
okay.
good.
But before we continue our conversation, but don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on Smart FM 101.1, the Spirit of Indonesia.